Hi everyone, I just randomly decided to start vlogging. Today is Monday, October 7th, and I just got back from being at my parents' house all weekend. I spent some time there. It was my little sister's birthday. She just turned 14. So yeah, we had a good weekend, and now I'm back, and it's time to be productive and get my life in order. That's basically what Mondays are. Like, Mondays are my Sundays, because if you don't know, I only have class Tuesdays and Thursdays. So today I went grocery shopping, I went to BJ's, and I went to Aldi's. So I'm gonna unpack that now, and I'll show you guys what I got, of course. And I'm gonna start meal prepping, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Just gonna do some light studying later, and then I'm doing F45 with Savannah. So that's pretty much it. I'll go show you guys what I got. Alright, this is everything I got from Aldi's. I got crushed tomatoes. That's what I'm gonna use to make the string beans real soon. I got some salsa, some guac. That's for the chipotle bowls, along with this butter lettuce for the chipotle bowls. I got a spaghetti squash, because if you saw my Trader Joe's haul, I tried it and I ended up really liking it. So I got one of these. It was on sale for 50 cents a pound at Aldi's. I got these like pumpkin cookies, you know, like the sugar cookies, and some candy corn, because we're doing like a mini Halloween like girls night at my house next week. Then I got some sweet potatoes, some Honeycrisp apples that were on sale, bananas, white onions for the string beans, taco seasoning for my taco bowl to reduce sodium, because, you know, might as well be a little bit healthy when using that. Some organic black beans, makeup wipes. I like the Walmart ones. They're 99 cents. I've gotten all my friends hooked on them, but these were $1.99 at Aldi, so not too bad. I'm gonna a thing of strawberries, like always. Some V8 for the string beans. Some Pam broccoli, and then 3 avocados, and then the green beans. So, you guys want to know a little tip that I learned from my botany class, like the one important thing I learned? If you have like really like green, like hard avocados and you want to ripen them fast, you put them with something that's already ripe or going bad, because what the gas that is produced to ripen fruit is called ethylene, and a ripe fruit produces more ethylene than an unripe fruit. So this producing more gas than this will cause this to produce more of its own gas, which will ripen it faster. So there's a quick biological science practical use for you. Over here, this is from BJ's. I separated it so I wouldn't forget. 2 things of tofu. BJ's has this and it's perfect. It's only $4, so each one's only $2, which is great. This is what I eat for chicken, because I don't really like chicken and I need something quick and easy. And this big thing is 2.5 pounds, and I got it on sale, I think, for like $7, and it lasts me like a month because I barely eat it, or a month or more. And then I got 2 loaves of Cuban bread, because I like to, for the string beans that I'm gonna make, it's good with bread on the side. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I spent $15 at BJ's, and I spent $42 at Aldi's. I usually spend around like $30, but I did get a few new things, like, you know, the cookies and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna start meal prepping and I'll show you everything. Alright, here I'm starting the green beans by just cutting the ends off. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just want to get the little stems off. You don't need to be too thorough. I'm using about, it says 4 pounds, but there is no way it was 4 pounds, because one bag was definitely less than the other. I'd say I'm using about 3.5 pounds of green beans in total for this recipe, but you can make as ever many as you want. Alright, and over here I'm just grating a white onion. I don't think it doesn't have to be a white onion, that's all I had. I'd actually prefer a yellow onion, but that's just personal preference, and this grater thing that I have really sucks, so please. Yeah, how much garlic should I add?
How much what?
Garlic should I add to the pasalaika? Teach him my viewers some Greek culture.
Yeah, there we go. So new pan.
Yes. All right, after I called my mom to ask how much garlic I needed, I put the onion and about a tablespoon or so of garlic into the pot, and I had a little bit of water from when I rinsed it out, and I'm just letting the green beans saute a bit. And over here, I'm just adding the can of crushed tomatoes that I got from Aldi's. You want to get a larger can if you're using as many green beans as I used. I like it saucy, so that's why I use a large can, but my mom says she uses a small can when she does only one bag of green beans. So yeah, I'm just scooping that in there. And here's me showing you the can because I forgot. And I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Yeah, this recipe isn't exact because if you know, like recipes from your grandparents are never exact. So here is cinnamon. I'm adding just a little bit. I'd say about a teaspoon or so of cinnamon. I know it's weird, but it's in a lot of like Greek dishes. I'm adding some salt, but I'm not going crazy because I'm adding V8 later and that has sodium in it. And then I'm adding some pepper. Oh, here's the V8. Like I said, I don't measure it out. It was pretty watery, so I didn't add a lot. I think I added about like a fourth of a cup. Just try to gauge how much water is already in the pot. You don't want it to be super watery. So if there's a lot of water, don't add a lot of this. All right, here I'm just mixing it up and I'm gonna let it saute on medium low heat for about like 15 minutes or so. And I started browning the tofu. Sorry I didn't show me actually crumbling it, but I'm making those burrito bowls that I made in my other College Week in My Life vlog. But yeah, I told you I really do eat these all the time. So I'm just making it again for, I'll eat the green beans for lunch and I'll eat the burrito bowl for dinner. So it works out. I'm mixing the taco seasoning with water in this little cup. I find it easier just to mix it together before I pour it in, opposed to just sprinkling the taco seasoning on top and then adding water. It's not like ground beef where like it already has a lot of water. I mean, tofu has water, but I browned it so much that there's basically no more water left. So yeah, I don't want it to get stuck to it or be uneven. Also, tofu's like a sponge, so me pouring this in, the tofu's just gonna absorb all of the water with all the seasoning. That's why I don't understand when people don't like tofu. Like, it really tastes like nothing. It tastes like whatever you season it as. So if you know how to season your food and you crumble it fine enough and you cook it long enough, it definitely, like, I don't know, I think it tastes fine. So yeah, definitely try it if you haven't before. You'd be surprised. Alright, so after I let that absorb a little more, I rinse a can of black beans and I just pour them in. I'm just going to mix it all together so that way it's like all evenly distributed. I heard that if you rinse your beans, it like doesn't give you gas or bloating. I don't know where I read that. It could be like totally false. But I mean, I don't really notice any bloating or gas from eating beans, so maybe it's true. I don't know. Okay, in the next clip, I'm eating the burrito bowl. I had it with salsa, tortilla chips, and guac, and some rice.
2 hours later.
I just finished cooking and cleaning and putting everything away, and now I'm just laying down on the couch because I'm pooped out. I'm trying to find the strength to go and do some light studying. I don't have anything really to study for, like I said, but I just want to kind of get my notes in order for class tomorrow, and then I guess I can go back to relaxing before F45. I'm going to leave around 5. So yeah, see you guys later. Impulse purchase Good Notes 5 because I saw Janice Study's video that now you can put like 2 screens together and you can't do that with Notability, and that would help me tremendously when it comes to creating study guides, which is what I'm trying to do right now. So yeah, Good Notes is only $7.99 compared to Notability, which is $10, and I still think I'm going to use Notability when it comes to taking notes in class because I love the recording feature. I mean, if Good Notes ever gets a recording feature, maybe I would switch to Good Notes, but I also really like the infinite scrolling on Notability. That's just something I'm not ready to give up, but I did want to get GoodNotes as kind of a supplemental app to use. So I'm going to play around with it right now and see how I like it, and maybe I'll do a full video comparing GoodNotes and Notability and telling you what I use each for. So yeah, I'm going to go do that now. For F45, I'm running a little bit late, but I want to show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Forever 21 little crop top. I have a Forever 21 crisscross sports bra, and then my Lululemon Align crops, and then these new Nike shoes I got. I think they're the Nike trainers. I never know the names of the Nikes, but yeah, I got them at the outlets for only $32, so good deal. But I'm gonna head out now so I'm not late, and I'll see you guys later. So I'm in the car, just finished F45. I'm heading to my boyfriend's now. We're gonna have dinner together and I'm gonna work on some homework. And yeah, so I'm gonna cut the vlog here. If you guys wanna see more like meal prep, get my life together vlogs, let me know. Or just any video you wanna see, like just please let me know. Comment it, DM me, I don't care. I don't want to keep making videos if like no one's interested, and I want to make videos that are actually helpful. So please let me know. Make sure you subscribe because I post every Sunday and I'm trying to upload every Wednesday now. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm starting to drive. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.